Good morning, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and today we're using Sterling black cherry soap and matching aftershave. So yes, and you can tell by I've already taken it out of the little plastic piece it was in. It's basically it's full width, but it's thin. They like slice off a piece of a full puck. So, and it's malleable enough where I just pushed it in. See, it's a curved bowl, not a very big flat bottom, but you can tell that I've just mushed it in gently with my fingers, and it's pliable enough that it form fits in there real easy. So whatever you've got for a container, throw it in there, it'll work fine. So we've got that today. And today we've also got, a nice treat for me anyway, is a Rex Envoy razor. This is the Envoy, not the console. Sorry. Yeah, and I really enjoy this razor. Been using it all week actually. So today's my last day. I'm going to use this razor before I switch off switch off something else for next week. But wanted you to see that. So let me pause, wash the face, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. And I've already basically swirled around 100 times, and I've got another, 150 more to go. But I figured I'd cut it out a little bit. Okay, there's another 50. It's building up nice. Another 50, and I can stop now, but I want to do another 50. That's just what I do. Yeah, I'm more happy with that. It's a little peakier, a little more formed. I just like that better. So that's kind of what I do. So yeah, so that whipped up nice. Face, of course, is all wet. I've already washed my face, so go ahead and apply this. Scent it's very mild. The sample I have is probably about a scale of 1 to 10, probably about a 1. I took sinus pills earlier, so maybe for you it's a 2, but for me it's a 1. Very mild scent. And when we tell you that type of thing, it's not to say it's not great because it's not it's not a 10. No, it's like different variety of different scent strengths are good because depending on what you want to do after the fact for what you have to what you want to use for your scent after, if you're going to put on an EDT or cologne or something, then you don't want anything too overly powering. I happen to be using the matching, of course, aftershave, so not so much a concern for me, whatever the strength would be. Oh, sorry, I got that soap from my nose. Good, got me tickled the nose. All right, let's just paint this on now. And that's plenty. That is plenty. Now I'll go ahead and start with my, reaching for my leaf twig razor for under the nose. Oh, itchy. Good. Good. Roll tiny spot. Gone. Here they go. Just rinsed it out. Sink. Put that away because that's done for the day. And now to the Envoy. I call this a solid mid-aggression razor, which is more up my alley, and I really enjoy this razor. For an every other day shave type of razor, this is perfect. For some, it might be a little bit too much for everyday razor shaving. But it's just so efficient, so nice. I really enjoy it. Stretching out the neck. There we go, yes. Working well. I will tell you, using a milder razor or something below medium versus something medium and above. When you're on the first pass, a mild razor, you really can't. It's like, it's work. I guess it's doing its job and all that, cutting down the layer. But I feel it more so with a more aggressive razor on that first pass, as far as how short it's cutting. Not that I'm done. I'm still doing a 3-pass shave, but just you can tell that efficiency and the way it's slicing through. It's just nice. And this blade is fifth shave on this blade. Oh, here's my brush, and of course my brush is the one I made. It's the Phoenix Artisans Accoutrements 400 handle, and then the Sinbad knot from AP Shave Co. in Canada. Nice combination. I believe this is a 24 millimeter, I believe. Oops, don't need to go under the nose. I'm done. For me, under the nose is one and done. Okay, pass 2 is across the grain. See, light touch, 3 fingers. Then the soap is whipped up to a little thicker, so I can continue on without rinsing off, without fear of it dropping off, making a mess. So yeah, here we go, did well. Second pass is done. Rinse it off. Okay. Lathering up for pass 3. Nice creamy soap too. I like this soap. You'll hear others too say Sterling is just a good bang for your buck, price-wise, for what you get. Soap. Just very pleased with Sterling. Very consistent with their soaps. Feeling very nice. Okay, pass 3 is against the grain. Stretching out. Yes, pass 3 with this razor is nice. I'm trying to be light and gingerly underneath here too. I don't want to cut myself by moving wrong. Nice. And yes, the Sterling soap sample is, it's flatter, so it's not, put in the little containers there, those tiny sample containers. So overall, size-wise, I'd say you're probably getting 1.5 to 2 times as much as you get one of those little containers. So yeah, it probably lasts a good couple of weeks. Come to think of it, then I will be shaving with this. All my shaves, probably this coming week and next week, off camera. So that's until I finish it up. The little aftershave sample will run out first, and the soap will still last. I'll get like 4 or 5 uses out of the sample, but more than that, definitely out of the soap. But I like that. I like the generosity of the sample size, the soap, so you can get a real good feel of the. Not just obviously the scent is something you kind of know right away if you like it or not, but the quality of the soap, how it performs. You saw me just put water on and not reapply soap because I didn't need to. I've used Sterling enough that I know that, yeah, it's got enough residual slickness that I don't have any fear, even with a more aggressive razor like this. So that went well, yes. Feeling very smooth. Wowie, that feels good. Let me pause and wash up, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. Grabbing the towel off the wall and starting up the cold water in the sink because, yes, it's time to do the cool down splash. So I've just washed my face with warm water in the washcloth, get off the excess remaining soap. So now I've got cold water running in the tap. I'm going to give 2 splashes on my face. So let me do that. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Sorry, I forgot to get out my... Oh, can't get the lid off with my hands. There we go. Alright, get it wet. There we go. Run it out a little bit. Oops, yeah. So I go around my face about twice. Just make sure I cover everything. And I don't wash it off. I just pat it dry. There. Alrighty, that felt good. Alrighty. Towel back up on the wall. And now the matching aftershave. Okay, I get quite a scent of the alcohol, but of course that'll all dry off quickly. Give myself a nice generous splash here in my hand. Oh, that's very nice. Sweet from the sweet cherries. Oh yeah, that feels very nice. Something different. And the cherry, I'm liking that. The black cherry, yes. That's, yeah, definitely my seal of approval. I like that scent. I'm a cherry fan. My son, one of my sons is not. He's allergic. But, oh, I like that. So, Ryan, I guess I won't send this to you, buddy. So, yes. So, that was good. Just put my cap on my... Whoops, actually, I don't want to do that. I want to dry that out first. So, that was overall a nice shave. The Envoy razor, superb. Really enjoy that razor. That gives me a wonderful shave. Really top-notch. Yes, enjoying that shave. Just really enjoy that razor. That's... I know I'm going to get such a good shave when that comes about in the rotation for me. It's like, yes, it always brings a smile to my face. So, but yeah, so if you have any questions, of course, please put them down below and I will obviously answer those. I do enjoy your comments for those of you who are leaving them. So thank you. And of course, I always forget to say it, but let me say it. Please like and subscribe, especially the like. Give me a like, a thumbs up, please. If you don't subscribe, at least give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. But I am looking for 6 more subscribers. When I get 6 more, when I looked earlier today, I'm at 394 subscribers. When I get to 400, I'm having a double giveaway. I'm going to have a giveaway that's just for the Americas. Basically, continental, you've got to be Canada, US, or Mexico, where it can go by truck. So, because it's going to have aftershaves in it, and the other one is not going to have aftershaves in it, and that's going to be anywhere else in the rest of the world, except Belgium. I know. I had a winner in Belgium, and I got the package back from customs, so it's like, yeah, I'm not going to try Belgium again. So sorry if my Belgium watchers, and especially if you're the one who won and I couldn't send it to you because it came back. I apologize for that, but yeah, your country wouldn't let me send it to you, so I'm not going to try that again. So with that, though, guys, hope you enjoyed, and go with God.